Alright, it's running. Good boy. Good boy.
It's hard to breathe and hold this toy at the same time. Oh.
See, he drops it back in.
Hey, come on.
Go get it, Henry.
Come on, she'll stop biting.
Good boy.
Oh yeah, he's digging the jumping thing now. Wow.
Go get your toy, Henry.
Start a new one.
Hold on a sec.